Ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize you're subscribed to a service you don't even use anymore? Maybe it's a gym membership collecting dust after those initial New Year's resolutions faded. Perhaps it's a forgotten streaming platform overflowing with shows you never intended to watch. Point is, these lingering subscriptions can silently drain your wallet. For business owners, this can be especially true with point-of-sale (POS) systems. You signed up for epos now all excited, thinking it would revolutionize your sales. But then life happens. Maybe your business model shifted, or perhaps you found a different software that fit your needs better. Now you're stuck with epos now, wondering how to break free. Well, fret no more, because in this video we'll be diving deep into the world of epos now account cancellation. We'll break down the process, answer any lingering questions you might have, and ensure you're no longer tethered to a software you don't need. Here's the thing to remember up front. Canceling your epos now account can involve two parts: canceling the software subscription itself, and potentially returning any rented hardware. We'll tackle both aspects so you have a clear roadmap to follow. Conquering the epos now subscription. First things first, let's vanquish that pesky subscription. Epos now offers two main subscription options: a monthly plan and a fixed-term contract. The cancellation process differs slightly between the two, so listen closely. Monthly plan warriors. If you're on the flexible monthly plan, congratulations. You have the freedom to cancel anytime. However, there's a small catch. You need to provide epos now with at least 30 days written notice. This means your cancellation won't take effect immediately, but rather at the end of your current billing cycle, plus an additional 30 days. Fixed-term contract crusaders. For those subscribed to a fixed-term contract, things get a bit trickier. Epos now typically requires you to fulfill the entire contract term before canceling. There might be some wiggle room depending on your specific circumstances, but generally, you'll be responsible for payments until the contract ends. Wielding the power of written notice. Now, how do you actually deliver this written notice? Epos now doesn't offer an in-app cancellation option, so you'll need to contact their support team directly. You have two main channels for this written notification: email and phone. Email assassins. If you prefer the digital route, craft a clear and concise email stating your intent to cancel your epos now subscription. Include your account information for easy reference, and be sure to mention the effective date you'd like the cancellation to take place, remembering the 30-day notice for monthly plans. Phone crusaders. For those who prefer a more personal touch, you can always call epos now's support line. Again, clearly state your desire to cancel and provide your account details. While you have them on the phone, it might be helpful to confirm the cancellation date and inquire about any outstanding fees. The rented hardware return quest. Did you rent any hardware from epos now alongside your software subscription? If so, you'll need to return it after your cancellation takes effect. Epos now typically provides clear instructions on the return process when you confirm your cancellation. This might involve packaging the hardware securely and sending it back to a designated address. Remember, timely return ensures you don't get charged for any missing equipment. A few parting words. Canceling your epos now account can be a straightforward process, especially for those on the monthly plan. Just remember to provide that all-important 30-day written notice and handle any rented hardware returns promptly. If you're on a fixed-term contract, reaching out to epos now to discuss your options is recommended. There might be flexibility depending on your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep conquering those lingering subscriptions.